Think road trips are all about cramped beds and boring interiors? Think again. These motorhomes are on a whole different level. We're talking million-dollar machines with rooftop decks, full-size kitchens, built-in cinemas, even garages for your supercar. These aren't RVs. They're luxury homes on wheels, and they'll make you want to ditch your house and live life on the move. And trust me, number one will blow your mind so hard, you'll be Googling how to finance one before this video ends. Smash that like button, buckle up, and let's roll into the 15 most luxurious motorhomes you've ever seen. Imagine this, living completely off the grid with zero compromise. That's exactly what the living vehicle trailer offers. It's not your typical RV. It's built with marine-grade materials and heavy-duty suspension that can handle seriously rough terrain. And here's the cool part. It generates up to 3.4 kilowatt hours of solar power every single day. No noisy generators, no hookups, just clean, self-sustaining energy wherever you go. Inside, it's wrapped in a high-grade aluminum shell with solid insulation, keeping things comfortable no matter the weather. While regular RVs need support to survive off-grid, this one was built to thrive. This isn't just off-grid living, it's freedom, redefined. Tesla. Visual dynamics. The future of RVs. Exterior. Now imagine if Tesla made a motorhome. Well, they did. And it's a game changer. Built on the Tesla Semi platform, this all-electric RV redefines road trips with a sleek aerodynamic design that cuts through the air with a 0.36 drag coefficient. It's not just efficient, it's silent, clean, and futuristic. Integrated solar panels keep the energy flowing while you're parked, and with up to 500 miles of range, you can go further with fewer stops. Add in Tesla's advanced self-driving tech, and long drives become effortless. No more engine rumble, no more generator noise, just pure, uninterrupted nature and comfort wherever the road takes you. Mercedes RV Armadillo Conqueror. T. Meet the Mercedes RV Armadillo Conqueror. T. A beast built for the wild. With 6-wheel drive and a 625 horsepower diesel engine, this thing can climb 45-degree slopes and cross nearly 4 feet of water like it's nothing. When you park, hydraulic systems expand your space from 215 to 274 square feet. Yes, your living room literally grows. It's got secured gear compartments, an epic rooftop deck, and an independent suspension that soaks up rough terrain without shaking your insides. This isn't your average RV. This is luxury that follows you into places most vehicles wouldn't dare touch. No roads? No problem. Airstream E-Stream concept. The Airstream E-Stream concept isn't just a trailer. It's a smart travel companion. With built-in electric motors, it actually helps push itself, cutting your fuel use by up to 20%. And that iconic aluminum shell? It's not just for looks. It slices through wind with aerodynamic precision. On top, 900 watts of solar power keep the massive 80 kilowatt-hour battery charged all day. But here's the magic. It parks itself at your campsite with remote control, levels automatically, and can even rotate for the best views or sun exposure without reconnecting to your car. It's freedom, intelligence, and innovation, all on wheels. Mars 15 Premium. The Mars 15 Premium proves that big adventures come in compact packages. Built tough on a galvanized chassis with independent suspension, this hybrid caravan handles rough tracks with ease. No heavy-duty tow rig needed. Roof-mounted solar panels pump out 400 watts to keep the lithium batteries charged, perfect for those off-grid getaways. Its clever pop-top design keeps the height under 7 feet while towing, but pops up to full standing room at camp. You've got smart storage for your gear and a slide-out kitchen so you can cook under the open sky. This isn't about size. It's about smart, rugged freedom that goes where others can't. The Hymer Venture S takes inspiration from aircraft design to make every inch count, without ever feeling cramped. Up top, there's a cozy sleeping loft with a queen-sized bed and stunning panoramic skylight views. And yes, the bathroom features a full-sized shower and a real ceramic toilet. No flimsy RV plastics here. The kitchen's fully equipped too, with induction cooking, a convection microwave, and a fridge with a separate freezer. The lounge? It adapts to you, whether you're working, relaxing, or dining. With 4-season insulation, it keeps you comfy from snowy peaks to desert dunes. It's proof that smart design, not square footage, makes the journey feel like home. Eco Capsule Exterior. Meet the Eco Capsule, a tiny house that packs big potential for off-grid living. This futuristic pod is equipped with a low-noise wind turbine and high-efficiency solar panels, so it generates power around the clock. No hookups needed. Its smart design minimizes heat loss and even collects rainwater, making it perfect for those craving peace and solitude, far from city noise. Whether you're chasing the stars or just want your own private escape, the Eco Capsule proves that freedom doesn't need a giant footprint, just clever, sustainable design. Romotau T8. Next up is the Romotau Prototype, a true game changer in mobile living. Priced at $350,000, this futuristic caravan does something wild. With the push of a button, the cabin rotates out from its shell, unveiling a spacious deck and boosting your living space by 70% compared to standard RVs. Step inside, and you'll find a chef-level kitchen, a dining area with stunning panoramic views, and cozy bedrooms built for pure relaxation. This isn't just transportation. It's a luxury retreat on wheels designed to turn every road trip into a 5-star escape. Expandable container 30 feet. Here's something seriously cool. The 30-foot expandable container home. What looks like a compact shipping unit unfolds into a spacious 603 square foot home. And get this, it can be fully set up by just 4 people in a single day. Built from lightweight steel, it's tough, well-insulated, and ready to handle all kinds of weather. Meet the Pebble Flow, an all-electric RV built for today's modern nomads. With its sleek, aerodynamic shape, it glides down the road while maximizing efficiency. Step inside and you'll find a minimalist interior flooded with natural light thanks to those stunning panoramic windows. The furniture moves to match your mood, and the indoor-outdoor kitchen plus adjustable shower glass bring a real touch of luxury. Starting at $109,000, the Pebble Flow lets you stay off-grid for up to 7 days. Yep, a whole week, making it perfect for adventure seekers who don't want to leave comfort behind. Auf 130 Quadratmeter truck. Now, this is wild. The Auf 130 Quadratmeter truck turns from a compact transport vehicle into a full-blown event space in just 20 minutes. Whether it's for product launches, exhibitions, or pop-up experiences, this truck creates a customizable venue that's impossible to ignore. Need a branded stage, a mobile showroom, a VIP lounge on wheels? It's all possible. Pricing depends on how you kit it out and how long you need it. But for companies looking to stand out, the Off 130 square meters isn't just a truck, it's a showstopper. Hymer Vision Venture S Exterior. Say hello to the Hymer Vision Venture S, where luxury meets adventure on 4 wheels. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, this off-road-ready motorhome features all-wheel drive and rugged suspension, so you can take the road less traveled with total confidence. Inside, it's pure comfort. A sleek, modern kitchen, a spacious living area, and a cozy loft bedroom tucked under a pop-top roof with epic views. Whether you're chasing mountain sunsets or beachside mornings, the Vision Venture S turns every trip into a 5-star escape on wheels. 4 wins. 28. Z 2024. Meet the IO Camper Truck, a smart, family-friendly RV that transforms your pickup into a full-blown camper. With room for up to 5 people, it's perfect for weekend getaways or extended road trips. The setup is quick, the design is minimalist, and it's built from waterproof materials to handle whatever nature throws your way. And here's the fun part. An outdoor kitchen and fridge let you cook and chill while soaking up the fresh air. Priced at $114,250, The IO Camper is a solid choice for families craving comfort, flexibility, and open skies. Adria Sonic Supreme Exterior. The Adria Sonic Supreme is where elegance meets adventure. This high-end camper van boasts a sleek exterior and a luxurious interior, crafted with premium fixtures and materials throughout. Choose the 700DC with an island bed and end bathroom, or go with the 700DL, featuring twin single beds and a shared bath. You'll also get central heating, multimedia controls, and all the comforts of home on the road. While it typically retails for £10,500, discounts are often up for grabs, making this a stylish, surprisingly accessible choice for travelers who want it all.